Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best new Honda motorcycles 2023. Number 7. Honda CB1000R. The Honda CB1000R is not just any ordinary motorcycle. It's a powerful and stylish naked bike that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. With its sleek design language and impressive performance specs, it's easy to see why this bike has become a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. Under the hood, the CB1000R boasts a detuned version of the 2007 engine, producing an impressive 109 horsepower at the rear wheel. The bike also features a telescopic fork with stepless preload, as well as compression and rebound adjustments. The Honda CB1000R has become a fan favorite in the competitive motorcycle market, with both the Gen 1 and Gen 2 models being highly sought after by riders. The second-generation model is even faster than its predecessor, thanks to its gearing and lighter weight, making it a thrilling ride for any motorcycle enthusiast. Whether you prefer the first-generation or second-generation model, the Honda CB1000R is a great choice for anyone looking for a powerful and stylish naked motorcycle. Number 6. Honda XL750 Transalp. Adventure touring enthusiasts around the world have been waiting with bated breath for the arrival of the highly anticipated Honda XL750 Transalp. This all-new adventure bike has taken inspiration from the original Transalp, which was introduced in 1986 and gained a reputation as a legend in its own right. At the heart of this bike lies an all-new 755 cc parallel twin unit capable of producing a whopping 90 horsepower and 55 feet-pounds of torque. The refined settings of the throttle-by-wire system ensure smooth power delivery across the rev range, giving riders complete control on any terrain. The XL750 Transalp's design is equally impressive, with tough, angular design elements that give it an adventurous, freedom-inspiring look. The large fairing with flush surface provides optimal comfort on highways while balancing wind protection and aerodynamic performance at a high dimension. This bike has been designed to be an all-rounder, appealing to a wide range of users who want to ride lightly without being overbearing. Although the XL750 Transalp has not yet been confirmed for the American market, it is expected to compete in the middleweight adventure bike segment. Number 5. Honda CL500. Rev your engines and prepare for an off-road adventure like no other with the highly anticipated Honda CL500. This motorcycle takes the Rebel 500 platform and converts it into a stylish and versatile off-road cruiser that is perfect for those who want to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort or style. The CL500 continues this tradition with its own unique features, including triple clamps and a tubular diamond structure steel frame that give it a sleek and stylish look. But it's not just all about the looks. The Honda CL500 has been designed with off-road capabilities in mind. It features long travel suspension and a 19-inch front and rear wheel combination, which sets it apart from other motorcycles in its class. Its power output of 46 horsepower and 43 Nm is geared towards mid-range performance, making it perfect for tackling rough terrain with ease. The Honda CL500 also boasts a unique exhaust system that has been tuned to produce a throatier sound than the Rebel, adding an extra layer of aggression to this already impressive machine. So whether you're a seasoned off-road rider looking for a new challenge or a casual adventurer seeking to explore the great outdoors in style, the Honda CL500 is the perfect machine for you. Number 4. Honda Gold Wing. The Honda Gold Wing is not just a motorcycle, it is an icon that has been redefining the touring category for almost 5 decades. With a sleek and powerful design, the Gold Wing offers riders an unforgettable road experience that is unrivaled in the world of touring bikes. From its smooth and comfortable ride to its innovative high-tech features, the Gold Wing is the ultimate machine for the discerning rider who craves the ultimate in comfort, performance, and style. At the heart of the Gold Wing is its 1800 horizontally opposed 6-cylinder engine, which is both lighter and more powerful than its predecessors. This engine delivers a smooth and powerful ride that is complemented by the Gold Wing's unique double wishbone front suspension. Another standout feature of the Honda Gold Wing is its storage capacity. The deep saddlebags on either side of the bike are spacious enough to hold all your personal items, and there is ample room for you and your passenger to pack everything you need for a week or more of travel. In conclusion, the Honda Goldwing is a touring motorcycle that has stood the test of time. Its impressive power, comfort, storage capacity, and high-tech features make it the ultimate machine for experienced riders who demand the very best. Number 3. Honda CB500F. Get ready to experience the thrill of the open road with the Honda CB500F. This motorcycle is an absolute powerhouse and is perfect for urban riding, as well as exploring the winding roads of the countryside. It is a stunning choice for anyone looking for a naked bike that delivers impressive power, torque, and fuel efficiency. The CB500F is more than just a pretty face. It is packing a serious punch with its 470 kg engine, which is knocking on the door of middleweight bikes. The bike's engine produces a whopping 32 pound-feet of torque, making overtaking on freeways a breeze. The engine delivers power smoothly, without any unpleasant snatchy or disheartening sensations, which is perfect for new riders. Honda has equipped the CB500F with premium features, making it stand out from the crowd. The bike's LCD instrumentation has been updated, and ABS comes standard, which means you can ride with confidence knowing that you have everything under control. The CB500F's minimalist look is deceptive, as it is packed full of features that make it one of the most versatile bikes on the market. It is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to have fun on two wheels. So, if you're looking for a bike that is perfect for urban riding, as well as exploring the open road, the Honda CB500F is the perfect choice. Number 2. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is not just any ordinary entry-level cruiser, it is a bike that has caused a stir in the motorcycle market. Its combination of power, performance, and versatility has made it one of the most intriguing motorcycles in recent years. At the heart of the Honda Rebel 1100 is a torquey, liquid-cooled parallel twin 1080C engine that delivers an impressive amount of power. This engine is known for its reliability and durability, making it a popular choice among adventure riders. Despite its power, the Honda Rebel 1100 has been designed to be easy to handle and maneuver. Its low seat height and dimensions are perfect for beginners, and the bike achieves both straight-line stability and neutral handling. In fact, the only model in its class that comes standard with cruise control, the Rebel 1100 ensures that riders can focus on the road ahead and enjoy their ride to the fullest. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that offers power, performance, and versatility, look no further than the Honda Rebel 1100. Number 1. Honda CB300R. If you're a beginner rider looking for a bike that's both stylish and easy to handle, the Honda CB300R might just be the perfect fit for you. This bike has been receiving rave reviews from experts and new riders alike for its lightweight design, which makes it easy to maneuver on the road and build confidence as you learn to ride. Under the hood, the CB300R boasts a powerful 286 4-valve, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers plenty of power for both city and highway riding. This engine is also designed to work well in real-world road riding conditions, so you can expect a smooth and responsive ride, no matter where you're headed. The CB300R's suspension system is equally impressive, featuring a 41mm inverted fork that provides a smooth and comfortable ride with compliant damping. The lightweight aluminum wheels add to the bike's responsive handling, making it easy to weave in and out of traffic and handle tight turns with ease. Of course, looks matter too, and the Honda CB300R doesn't disappoint in this regard. Its neo-sports cafe design gives it a minimalist, bare-boned attitude that's both edgy and sleek, with a bold new direction for smaller displacement machines. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade to a more lightweight and stylish ride, the Honda CB300R is definitely worth considering. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.